to figure out what you are the best in the world at and what you can continue to be the best in the world at in the face of unrelenting, exponentially increasing.
Ang Arduino ne motion robot kayak iya lah, kau ndak semumet.
Ini kan ini halus, tapi ini ada tentakel-tentakel gini. Ini cuma dikeluarin doang.
It's a very smooth surface, shiny and smooth. This is a smooth surface.
Because it's touched to the bottom one.
Yeah.
That's why it's easier. Because it's actually part of the island. Hi everybody, today I'm trying to use a 3D printer here with a transparent filament since my white filament didn't fit well. I mean,
It does look like white, yeah?
Yeah, it does look like white, but it's actually transparent as you can see in the build plate. I'm trying to figure out, since yesterday when I used the white, the back side of this print, the back side of this model, it's destroyed. So I'm trying to figure it out so it doesn't. Then I replace the filament using transparent, just in case the white filament is bad. So yeah, I try it with transparent ones.
What part are you building?
I'm building a pivot part for the inmoov that I'm building. It's on the upper limb.
Crucial print, yari. Ah, why are you releasing?
No, I'm taking out.
Why? Wow. Ini sekarang take out what?
I was taking out the strings.
Yes,
here.
I know. It's very crucial.
Wait until the temperature is at 240 for the nozzle, 60 for the bed, and 100% for the fan, and it will be starting printing. 11 hours and 3 minutes is gonna be a long print.
Okay.
So it's finally finished. It's 8 hours and 42 minutes.
8 hours 42 minutes, yeah.
Now I'm gonna move the axis.
Oh, it's done.
It's finished. There's a lot of string attached in it.
Oh.
The eyes was later we replace.
Eyeballs.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna stop this.
Stop. Yeah.
Okay.
Stop. No, hold it like that. No. Your finger.
So I'm printing it with anet A8 and also an anet PLA using the transparent one here. So it's translucent actually. And yeah.
This is a 14-hour print job.
This is the head part, and I'm gonna scrub it out.
How long have you taken to produce this?
It's been 13 hours printing. It's pretty hard. Oh, there you go.
3 pieces, yeah? Head part.
Printing the
Adjusting
neck.
nozzle. To leave the printer away, and we decided to print them noodles. We have succeeded to print the noodles. Holy shit! Holy shit, man! What a waste of filament. Oh, look at that. What part are you printing? Be careful, be careful.
The
base has lifted up. See? Holy shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
I've
no.
decided and made it myself noodles.
Yes. Be careful.
What happened?
Cái pap. Ayam kalau saya pap. Rawon, papas.
printing the cones.
The neck plate.
Hello, Coco Daniel.
Hello, Coco Daniel.
Okay, this is the head part, Yari.
Yeah, so good.
See how big it is. So, compared to my cigarette. This is the jaw. Mulutnya. Coba dia.
Yeah, go this.
Still have many. Can't. So how big it compared to your head not wearing it? Compare. Yeah, I can take a picture. It's as big as you, yeah. 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 This hand, can you remove this hand? Yes, yes. Okay. Not bad. Wait. Oh, ini.
Hello.
Doing?
Fixing my 3D printer. We have a bit of a problem here. The filament won't extrude out of the head because the gear that pushes the filament, the gear that is inside there. Hey, don't worry, it's not hot. That part's not hot. It doesn't extrude the filament, it slips. So I have sometimes to push the filament, then it comes out.
No, you're extruding.
No, I'm removing the filament again.
Oh, masih campur.
Oh, see, it's so long.
Oh, panas.
Of course, came straight out from the nozzle. No, don't cut it that way.
Iya, masih ada merahnya kali, Ray. Because you still have the reds. Mejamu kotor banget, kan?
Yes. Yes, I have my tweezers.
Where is your tweezers?
See, here. Tweezers. Then... Okay, there you go.
Project.
Oh yeah, my inmoov head.
Show off your project.
There's a new edition for the eyes, but I haven't downloaded the STL. Well, it doesn't appear on my inmoov STL yet. My inmoov library download.
We will ask Mr. Sidoshen. Ask Mr. Sidoshen.
Right now I'm downloading the version 3 of my Palm with the surface intact to the head.
Version 3. Oh yeah,
This
let's see.
is my version 3. So the servo will be over here, here, and the
on the
thumb.
palm, yeah, in the palm,
in
yeah.
the palm. And also the entire wrist also which I print.
Yes.
I only download the palm to test first.
Yeah.
I didn't download this because this one have more, curves and things. If the palm is just like straight and there's nothing else on it.
Okay, I'm not asking you.
It's
Why?
okay.
Starting.
Dami belum itu sayang. That is the amount of print we've done. So it's been 7 minutes only. It doesn't came out how many hours this thing takes, but it takes 10 hours.
Oh, this one take 10 hours.
Yeah, that's why I start printing it for now. See over here? Wait.
Feeding.
Right, so one left screw to go and then we'll be ready.
Berarti sebelum nozzle-nya heating, di itu dulu ya, fan-nya sama.
Aja. Saya kalau 80, jadi beda ngestik
Oh,
gitu.
itu kemarin tuh.
Iya, itu 60 makanya angin ngepasnya. Nah, terus fan speednya digedein.
Fan speednya?
Fan speed itu gedein ini.
Iya, maksudnya jadi berapa?
Jadi 100.
Fullin,
iya.
dinyalain berarti ya, basically ya.
Ribbon pusher for inmoov. Quality of ender. Meja belajarnya di antara tumpukan sampah. Tipis nih Kun, rupanya ada keriwilan tadi. Tipis nih. Tadi keriwilannya udah tak ambil sih. Berarti ujung sini ketinggian, Ray. Perlu dikendorin dikit, aku belum tak kendorin. Rodanya cepat sekali berdebu loh. Tuh. It's real time after about 3 hours of printing. Yes. 3 hours 12 minutes of printing. 40% infill. Project inmoov Pak, open source ya awake ya sing wingi rain endase ya lengan ngenteni dinam. Everybody, so this is our progress of the day. We made some part of the torso. Just bought a new printer. And here's our head. And the hand. Lower arm. Well, we don't have much enclosure yet. This is my son's study room, my children's study room, study area. Okay, thank you everybody. Hope we're moving very slowly but can catch up soon.